So we'll see the next question. The question is, a person gave 25% of his monthly salary to his mother. From the remaining salary, he paid 15% towards rent and spent 25% on other expenses. The remaining amount he saved. The sum of the amount he saved and that he gave to his mother was rupees 42,000. What was his monthly salary? So I'll explain the question to you. In his salary, he gives 25% to his mother, and in the remaining, he spends 15% on salary and 25% on other expense. So to proceed with this pattern of questions, I'll assume that as it is in percentage, I'll assume that his salary is 100. In this, he gives 25% to his mother, and the remaining, the other details are given. So spent on rent and other expenses given, and the remaining he saves, and they have given the amount saved and the amount given to his mother. Data is 42,000, and we have to find the monthly salary of this person. And to start with this, I'll assume that his monthly salary is 100, and if he gives 25% to his mother, which means he is giving 25 rupees to his mother. Out of 100, 25% is rupees 25. He gives 25 rupees to his mother. And what will be the remaining amount? It is 75 rupees. As the base is 100, I'll take this as 75. And now what is the other detail given? In the remaining, he spends 15% on rent and 25% on other expense. So here you should be careful. So what they will do is, so in this 75, they'll add this 15 and 75 and they'll subtract from this 75. But you shouldn't do that, because in this remaining 15%, the first if I take is 100, the percentage will be the value. So the next step you have to take percentage only. So if it is 100, 15. Now in this 75, 15% is spent on rent and other expenses 25%. From this 75, 15% and 25% are spent. So we can add this and have as a single expense. So in this 75, he spends 40%. So don't make a mistake. Don't subtract this 40 from 75 and take remaining 35 and then proceed. In this 75, 40% he spends. The remaining amount he saves. So what is the remaining amount if this is percentage? So remaining of 100 is 60%. So 60% he saves in this 75. We'll get the ratio of the amount spent and saved. So 40% he spends, 60% he saves. So ratio is 2:3. So divide this 75 into 5 parts. 75 by 5. So what is one part? 15. Now what is the amount saved? 60% of 75 means 3 parts of 75. One part is 15, 3 parts is 45 rupees. So in this 100, 45 rupees he had saved, and what is the amount given to mother? It is 25 rupees. So 25 plus 45, it is 70. As they have given the data for amount spent, amount saved and amount given to his mother is 42,000. For 100 I have found how much he gave to his mother and he saved. So that I have got as 70. I'll repeat this again. So I am taking the salary as 100. So in this 25 rupees he gives to mother, and in this remaining 75, 15% and 25% is spent. So that is 40% is spent. Saved is 60%. So get the ratio of spent and saved 2:3. Divide this into 5 parts. One part is 15. 3 parts is 3 into 15, 45. So the amount given to his mother is 25. Amount saved is 45. Amount saved is 45. So total we get as 70. And now we'll find his actual salary. So if salary is 100, the amount given to his mother and saved is 70. But what is the actual detail given? Amount given to his mother and the amount saved is 42,000. So for 100, if it is 70, what will be the value of 100? So this into 6,000, we have got 42,000. Multiplying this, or you can cross multiply and divide. by 70 will give you his salary. So multiplying the 600 and 100, it is 60,000. His monthly salary is 60,000. So friends, be careful while working. So if they give percentage for the remaining, don't take it as a data. Here in the remaining 75, 15 and 25 are percentages. So consider this as a percentage and then calculate. So having the base as 100, so easily you can work out, which will make your working easier. So for 100, the data I got is 70. But for actually, if it is 42,000, his monthly salary is 60,000. Now answer is option B, 60,000.